Isang magayang umaga! Welcome to the grand opening and media day of Big's Lucena Pagbilao. This is Kay, your favorite food and travel enthusiast. Tara, eats! Upon entering Big's, in ambience na. Aesthetic, sobrang good vibes at naparaming IG-worthy spots. Meron din silang mga merch na para bang pag-aari niya yung Big. So, let's go sa second floor. Sobrang lawak ng space. May 220 seating capacity at may function hall for 100 packs. Pwedeng isama ang buong pamilya at kahit buong barangay pa. Welcome to Big's! Sobrang bigs in space. Pwedeng mag-emote at kahit mag-TikTok ka pa. Well, that's my friend, Lasa ni Gibbs. Shy type yun eh. So, 100 person na seating capacity for the second floor. Pwede ang birthday, anniversary, retirement, at kung ano-ano pa. Na para bang second floor yun ang bahay niya. What's really great with Big's is that 24 hours siyang open. Yes, you heard that right. 24 hours siyang bukas. So, pasok ang midnight snack, breakfast, dinner, lunch, at kahit anong cravings pa yan. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? And wait, there's more. Big in service din sila. Sobrang friendly, approachable, and service deluxe ka. Kala mo big time ka, basta nasa Big's ka. Imagine kung galing ka sa biyahe at medyo pagod ka and you come to this place na kung saan lahat ng tao good vibes. As we continue, Quezon media partners and content creators are welcomed by none other than Congressman Ervin. And this is Miss Dap. Siya talaga ang susi. Why we were all there. Welcome to the happy time. Setting the tone for the introductions. Meet the Big Fork. Walang ng isa. Yeah, that's the PR package. Matcha, cause why not? For antioxidants. Dito sa Big's in variety rin. Kung coffee lover ka, sobrang dami mong pagpipilian. And when you are sweet, kagaya ko, may dessert and cakes din sila. At wag na wag nating kalilimutan ng kanilang bestseller, which is the baby back rib. Pull up. Meron din silang mga steaks, breakfast. Check out their menu. Sobrang big in servings din sila. The barbecue is to die for, and even the chicken cordon bleu. This is a 25-inch diameter ceremonial burger, famous for the ceremonial slicing of the founders, the owners, and the local chief executives. Kahit na-excite kayo at na-excite din ako, apparently hindi siya available sa menu. Chicken tenders. Mozzarella. Wala ko chicken tenders. Dito ko na lang. masyadong maalat. For the chicken, inside lang. Sobrang crunchy and juicy. Tara Beats! Tara Eats! Tingnan natin, walang sauce. Pork. Pull off the bones and it melts in your mouth. Now, i-try naman natin ng may sauce. The savory side, medyo maalat, pero masarap pa din. Gusto mo ilatin ko sa puso.
The baby back ribs did not disappoint. Sobrang juicy, sobrang tender to die for. Makakalimutan mo yung pangalan mo. Literal na full of the bones. Kung tinatamad kang lumabas ng bahay, worry no more kasi meron silang delivery via Food Panda. Check it out!
Trying in the cheesecake that's blueberry. Sakto lang siya, hindi masyadong maumay, creamy.
This is their famous iced tea. Hindi tinupid, pero medyo sweet para sa akin.
Cheers!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Obvious naman na it's bigs in taste. And now, we're going to bigs in everything. Sobrang nakaka-good vibes talaga dito. And kung nasa second floor ka and dito ka nakapwesto overlooking the greeneries and the busy highway, that's a luxury in life. Hindi mo mababayaran. Imagine holding a cup of coffee here. Oh, that state of nothingness. Sublime. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and definitely dapat nagutom. Check out Bigs Lucena Pagbilao. Malapit sa Mr. DIY. Follow me for more updates, more food trips, and more exciting gala. Cause every story tastes better when shared. Ta-ta!